Sustainability is more than a buzzword for Lexus. Their lineup of electrified cars are a testament to the fact that the brand takes sustainability very seriously. To highlight this fact, Lexus India, along with Evo India, undertook a drive highlighting Lexus's green credential on Earth Day. We followed this up with the Nature Electrified Design Contest. We are celebrating Nature Conservation Day by unveiling the winning design.
I was totally blown by seeing my design on the NX.
With the Lexus NX 350h now liveried up, ready to spread the message of nature electrified.